There are 3 ways to sign up for UL Standards Update alerts. The alert service will email you whenever UL, ULC, or ULE publishes an update to your selected standards. Updates include announcements, CSDS proposals, revisions, and new additions. To create an individual alert for only the standards you use, go to shopulstandards.com. Log in or create an account if you don't already have one. Select the standard you are using. Click on Get Update Alerts. That standard is now added to the list of standards that you are following. Get an email whenever a standard on your list has been updated. To get alerts on what's new on all standards twice a month, go to shopulstandards.com. Under UL Resources, click What's New. Submit your email to receive updates on all standards the 1st and 15th of each month. If you are a UL certification customer, you can receive alerts on the standards you are using by logging into your account on ulstandards.com. Click on Add to Library next to each standard that you are using. Get an email whenever a standard in your library has been updated.